That's a sun flare right there. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back out to the Colorado trails. We are out here once again after a kind of unplanned hiatus there for about 2 weeks. I apologize about that, guys. I didn't plan on taking that long of a break. It was just life got kind of hectic. Had some automotive issues, had some life things kind of creep in, so I haven't been out to get out to the trails for the last couple of weeks. And today I overslept and accidentally set my alarm for 2:30 p.m. instead of 2:30 a.m. so I wasn't able to get out and catch sunrise this morning, which I'm not 100% unhappy about because there really wasn't much in terms of cloud cover and morning glow. I did get a few shots on my drive out to this trail that I'm hiking today. I'll post those up for you guys here in just a second. Nothing spectacular. I really kind of just was not on my A game this morning, let's just put it that way. So we're gonna head up to this spot that I've shot before and we'll see how that looks. Hopefully we can get a decent image here. Whew. I'm really struggling this morning. The atmosphere is really getting to me. All right, let's keep going. Sorry about that. It's windy up here today. I'm just taking a hot second to kind of catch my breath because I pushed myself really hard up from the parking lot to get up to this kind of vantage point this morning. Got a really fantastic view behind me here. Get up so you can see this. Oh, stone in my foot. Check that out. That makes getting up this morning just all kinds of worth it. But still kind of struggling to find an image this morning. We might have another one of those days. Oh, feeling a little precarious up on this perch here. We've also got a really cool kind of valley down here. We've got the river. I don't know what this river is, but really cool scenic view right here of this valley with the river running down it. I was hoping to get to this vantage point this morning to catch the sun as it was cresting these mountains up here, or as the sunlight was starting to crest and come down these mountains right here. But unfortunately, with oversleeping, I wasn't able to catch that, which, oh well, because now that I'm looking at it, without that element, it's really not much of an image. So I think this spot's a bust, but it's still a really pretty view, definitely worth getting up in the morning. So I'm gonna keep heading up the trail here, hopefully get to a spot up here that I know about, and hopefully the columbines are going to be out in force now. It's really pretty flower, so let's see if we can go find some of those. So I've paused for just a second because I found this little patch of bluebells and they're just kind of clumped in all amongst these rocks here. And you know what the heck? I really don't feel like today is going to be much of a big landscape image day. It's because we don't have any interesting sky going on, and like I said, I got beat in terms of sunrise because I didn't set my alarm correctly. So I figure why not just take some pretty images of some flowers today. So we've come up just a little ways and we've managed to find just a nice rocky outcropping here. And if I widen this lens out, you can see just full of columbine flowers. Columbine, as you know, or even if you don't know, is the state flower of Colorado. They really like to grow up here in these high mountain, high rocky areas. At least that's what I've seen. So it's really, really cool to see them all in these rocky outcroppings here. And I think it's going to provide some pretty cool compositions here. I apologize for the noise of the waterfall right here. It's pretty loud. But I think I've found an image to kind of cap the day off with. It's not perfect. I kind of wish I had a better light to deal with here. We're definitely starting to get some harsher light. But just to show you guys, I've got where the waterfall, move my head here, where the waterfall kind of forks here. I've got it framed up with my 18-135 lens, aiming straight at those two, at the fork there. I put on my 10-stop neutral density filter because I really want to slow the water down. And change this up real quick. I'm going to shoot this with a 16:9 internal crop because that's how I envisioned this shot when I was thinking about it when I got up to this spot. It's all about getting out here and just enjoying the scenery. This is a great vantage point right here. You got the entire mountain range back there in this whole valley. It's really a really beautiful view. So just gonna set to take this shot here. Again, I got my 10-stop neutral density filter on there to slow the water down, and that's got me at with my settings of f8 ISO 100. That gives me a shutter speed of it gives me a shutter speed of 2.5 seconds, which I think is going to be just fine to slow the water down, but still leave a little bit of detail in there. I'm going to wait until the wind kind of dries down just a little bit so I don't got any motion in the plants that are up there. But yeah, I think this is going to be a pretty decent shot. Guys, I think photography wise we're probably done for the day. I'm gonna find a spot to sit down, enjoy a little bit of food before I head back down to the car. Yeah, decent day. I'd say it was a decent day. Nothing spectacular. That last image was pretty good, I think. And as an old coworker of mine used to say, we turned chicken poop into chicken salad. She used a different word than poop, but you get where I'm going with that. If you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. Tell your friends about this. I'm just really hoping to keep just building this channel. Make sure to check out my website, check out my social media. I will link all of that down below. So until next time, I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you out on the trail.